Just about every school or college or university has a library. Ever wondered why, in this technology revolution, they still have libraries?
The library is more than just books. Although we have shelves and shelves of books, we have so much more electronically.
Alexa Azzopardi is a librarian at the HCC Stafford campus. She's right when she says they have shelves and shelves of books, but it's amazing how much more they offer.
We provide magazines and journals through databases that we pay for, and you can access through the library homepage using your W number and password. If you can't come into the library to use our computers, you can check out a Chromebook and use that at home. When you use a Chromebook will only access anything that is on the internet. The good thing is that you have Office 365 for your email. Through your email, you can access Microsoft Word, Excel, and PowerPoint, as well as a few other resources. And you also have OneDrive as electronic storage. If you have your own computer, you can download the Microsoft Office suite, which is Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Outlook, and download it for your own computer through Office 365 provided by Houston Community College. Other things that we provide here at HCC, we have some textbooks. Now, I have to tell you, we don't buy textbooks, but sometimes instructors or departments will bring textbooks down and put them on reserve. Reserve means that you can use those textbooks in the library, but only in the library, for 2 hours at a time.
After all of this, they still have another priceless asset: the librarians themselves.
It's not just enough that you come into the library. You need to actually come in, talk with a librarian, and let us work with you. We are faculty, and one of the things that we can do is we can help you narrow topics down and to help you to direct your paper or your presentation in a way you might not have thought of. Probably the biggest reason why you want to use the library is information literacy. When you guys come in, you know you have a project. You may not be sure how to go about finding the information. So, where do you find good information? What is good information? And how can you tell it's good information? We call that information literacy, and that's what the librarian is there to help you with.
If you're doing that research paper for a grade, don't think you can rely on that one website.
Some of us think Wikipedia is bad, and others think it's really good. But here's why. Wikipedia, anyone can change it. And you don't have to be an authority on the subject. Anyone can go in and change it, and they have. And sometimes people go in and put in bad information purposely. So if you never went any farther than Wikipedia, you wouldn't know that you had bad information. The difference between this and the internet is that information within books and within databases has been in some way vetted. Someone who is an authority on the subject has looked at this material and said, yes, this is good material, and then published it. We actually have professional tools that we use behind the scenes to find material that would be appropriate for your college level homework.
Once you learn all of the things that the library offers, you may get so interested that you want to join the Library Connection, a campus club for students.
I joined and it kept me busy. I liked it. I participate in events, and because sometimes I can't come to events because of the classes and everything like that, but I liked it.
You know, school is not always boring, and most people think the library is just boring and quiet, but really it's not. We actually do fun stuff in here, and we eat a lot, so.
It's a place to learn, it's a place to have fun, it's a place to be able to, like, express yourself.
It's a lot of fun. We can all be weird together.
The library gives so many resources to students. It's like they wrote the book on education. For HCC Beat, I'm John Woods.